They shopping at Home Depot.
Do you think it's too tall?
No.
It's November, not January.
Actually have a box. Now I have all this space. It's like, what are you doing? I'm going with you. You can't leave us. Welcome back. If you are new here, I am Joy from AYJ Adventures. Today's video is all about making my 24-foot home feel much bigger than it is by modifying the dinette. So let's get to it. So like this, up into here, can all be removed. So I can make that a single seat and we can do the L shape.
Well, you just pull this out about 2 foot. So 24 inches would be, actually, what is it? Is it 32? It's 36. Well, there's 3 foot right there.
If you look under, there's actually a lip where the wheelbase is. It's gonna open up this space right here.
You can sit there, people can sit there, and you can have space.
So the water heater and the fuse box and refrigeration, all that's underneath that bench. So that bench, I really don't want to modify because that'd be too much of a pain. That is the kind of the finish so far, but it definitely opens up my floor space in here. So now it's half the size, almost half the size. The only thing I have to do is figure out how to get that out, which I don't know. I gotta Google it and figure out how to take out a screw because I don't really want to crawl under the RV, but I can't have that there because I know I will trip over it. That's just what will happen. I now have an L-shaped couch. That'll give me a space where I can sit here and work. Now we're making the platform that's gonna go across this so I can have a cushion that goes that way. Look at the space that I have. 3x5 carpet will fit perfectly right there, which is gonna be for the dogs because, you know, I got an old dog and he slides on this floor very, very easily.
Let's put that in there, see what we look like.
Oh, I can't. I'm not strong enough. I'm in the middle of taking this seatbelt out. That is a bitch. Nice. It's tight, that's why I was having problems. Today, ran out to see what I could find in regards to foam for the cushions that I need to make. Unfortunately, Joann's didn't really have anything, so I need to go online and see what I can find. This is the back end. Definitely got a little more cushion than that one.
Well, maybe we
can wrap some batting around that.
Yeah, maybe we could pad that up with batting. It's solid.
It's definitely solid. That's sweet, though. Looks good. So we did that cushion right there, and with the batting that came on the cushion, because I ordered a 5-inch thick cushion, which I would say if you have the same issue, either you replace both or you go an inch smaller on that cushion size because that's 5 inches and it's about a 1/2 inch difference in the height there. We are going to cover it in the same material. The only thing that we have to worry about is the cut on that back. But let's actually take a measurement. We are adding batting to the existing cushion to make it, I think it's going to have to do another layer because that it's not as, doesn't feel as thick. Do we need to go
with the other cushion?
Probably.
They should be the same. I mean, they start out the same here. So these are like 2.5 inches apart. It's heavy.
It's amazing how much thinner that feels. All right. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So this is the back of the one cushion, and what I have to do is actually cut this off so it can fit in the new opening. And then I have to do the same thing over here, which actually will require me moving this thing here, which that's just screwed on, so that's not that hard. And are we using a bread knife?
It's not a bread knife, it's a serrated knife. Did it come out of my kitchen drawer? Yes. Is it a big deal? No, it's foam. We'll wash it and it'll be fine.
It's like a giant loaf of bread, except drier. You know what I'm saying? If we tape this down, this is gonna go over top of it, and we're gonna sew. I'm gonna re-sew that
Yeah, I
off.
know.
What about this sewing glue?
What we want is carpet tape because it's sticky on both sides.
Okay, can you mark 25? Dark side of the basement. Where's the light? This is
Quite a mess. Drives me crazy.
well. There's a giant saw there. I wonder if that'll work.
Everybody up now? Here, let me go through. Now I'm gonna get myself.
Dogs are assholes.
Basically. Yeah.
I mean, was I in your way? And that's the woman right there that helped me do everything. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
That was perfect, Mom. You are definitely designed for YouTube. Smart ass replies. That's what we do. And the Newcombs, I think it's our motto. We're always smart asses. This right here, I actually had to switch out, which is why it caused us so many problems when we did the modification on the Dinette. The reason I wanted to put this where the other seatbelt was is because my dogs actually will attach to this. This gives me some sense of security for when we are traveling. That's it. I now have an L-shaped couch, mini L-shaped couch, but it allows me to sit and do office work on my foldable table, and it gives a place for the dogs to sit and chill. Next up, it's all about the final touches, you know, those small little projects that never seem to stop. And I'm actually running right now with my mom to go try to finish some of those small projects. So until next time, I'll see you then. I now have it. This is the noise you hear. She's got a stockpile of candies, specifically in her car, and that's it. 9 and I forgot what I was gonna say.